People with symptoms of COVID-19 will now be able to get tested at participating pharmacies. It's part of a new expanded testing strategy from the province that includes take-home rapid tests for students over the holiday break. Matt Ingram has more.
A promise from the province to enhance its COVID-19 testing program.
By expanding the number of locations and making the tests more convenient to access.
Over the coming weeks, the number of pharmacies offering tests will shoot up from 211 today to as many as 1,300. Pharmacies will now be allowed to offer in-store PCR testing for symptomatic people by appointment only in an area away from other customers or outside or via a drive-through.
It should be a separate facility or space from their normal prescribing, from their immunization area, and all that is outlined in our guidelines.
Pharmacies will have to put out signs so customers are aware the testing is being done and must follow strong infection prevention and control measures that mirror what is in effect at all provincial testing sites.
We know we can do this safely.
Justin Bates of the Ontario Pharmacists Association says symptomatic testing will complement the province's testing centers and be more convenient and accessible for people. He is confident people will be protected and the risks will be mitigated.
But we're not going to have a lineup of people who have symptoms in the aisles or waiting outside.
The official opposition thinks people will be uncomfortable with the plan.
Seniors, we are concerned, could be put off from picking up much-needed medications.
But people CHCH News spoke with today are mostly in favor.
It's a good idea.
The more convenient you make it, the better it is for people.
It's important to get as much testing out there as possible.
It's a little too late. Should have been done a while ago.
Most said they would be comfortable being inside a pharmacy even with symptomatic people being tested.
I don't have a concern that way.
We're masked. We've been vaccinated.
If the numbers go higher, then I might have a problem with it.
I'm not sure, actually.
The province is also expanding testing at schools. Students who are symptomatic, as well as those who are a close contact of a confirmed COVID case, will be able to pick up a PCR self-collection kit from their school, take it home, do the swab, and return it to a collection center for testing. Ontario also spent $50 million to purchase 11 million rapid antigen tests for students to test themselves every 3 to 4 days over the winter break. Each student will get 5 in this voluntary program.
Really premised on the objective of getting them back in January.
There's also plans for a holiday mobile testing blitz. They're going to send these pop-up clinics to high-traffic areas in the public where anyone who's asymptomatic can get a test if they want one. The province is calling this entire enhanced strategy a way to mitigate the increased risk of the transmission of the virus in the colder months.